Today, I'm back at Brantley to walk you through each model home before it opens to the public. With early access to the community, I've already secured multiple homes for my clients during the pre-selling phase. If you're interested in taking advantage of early incentives and strong pricing, stay tuned. Hi everyone! 안녕하세요. 你好. I'm Lauren Chenfu, your Las Vegas lifestyle specialist. Today we're touring the Gardengate model, a beautifully designed single-story home here at Brantley. This floor plan offers 3 to 4 bedrooms, up to 3.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. The thoughtfully planned living space is over 2,296 square feet and can be up to 2,500 square feet depending on your structural upgrades. The Gardengate is ideal for buyers who want the ease of single-level living without sacrificing style or functionality. The layout feels open and well-balanced, with comfortable bedroom separation and spacious main living areas that flow naturally. One of the standout features of this model is the optional wet bar, which adds an elevated entertainment-ready touch to the home. It's perfect for hosting guests, enjoying wine nights, or creating a sophisticated lounge feel within your living space. With its efficient design, generous room sizes, and upscale options, the Gardengate offers exceptional value and livability in a single-story layout. If you're looking for a home that combines comfort, elegance, and everyday convenience, the Gardengate is definitely a model worth seeing in person. You'll also find a large walk-in closet, providing plenty of storage without compromising on style. Base price for the Gardengate starts just over $900,000, making it an excellent opportunity for buyers looking to enter this community with strong value while still enjoying upscale design and flexible options. And just like the other models, there are quick move-in homes available. So if you want early access to the best lots and incentives, now is the perfect time to explore. Even with its standard configuration, this single-story home offers generous living space, high ceilings, and a layout that feels open, spacious, and extremely livable. For buyers who need more flexibility, there is also an option to add an additional suite, making it ideal for guests, extended family, or multi-generational living. Also, don't forget to watch my other video covering Brantley's pre-selling opportunities, link in the description. I'll help you secure the most favorable deals before they're gone. I get fresh updates from the builder almost every day, since I have multiple ongoing deals in this community and take my clients on tours regularly. So, if you want instant access to insider information, don't hesitate to reach out. I'll make sure you don't miss a thing. If you found this tour helpful, make sure to check out my other video on Brantley's pre-selling opportunities, where I break down exclusive incentives and early access deals in more detail. Because I work closely with the builder and have multiple active clients in this community, I receive daily updates on pricing, availability, and incentives. If you'd like insider access or want to tour these homes in person, feel free to reach out. I'll make sure you're positioned to get the best possible terms. Even at this pre-selling stage, many of the best home sites with premium views are already gone, which shows how quickly this community is moving. The remaining opportunities won't last long, especially as we get closer to the public grand opening. The builder is aiming for a grand opening by the end of January. And with interest rates likely heading down, I truly want to make sure my viewers and clients don't miss this window. Contact me today for the best pricing details and exclusive builder incentives. You don't want to miss this one. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is Lauren Chenfu, your Las Vegas lifestyle specialist. See you in the next one.